Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am with you to talk about primary auxiliaries. Today I am with you to talk about primary auxiliaries. In my previous videos, I talked about use of to be form. To beची रूपे एमिजार वॉजवेअर याबद्दल मी लास्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये डिस्कशन केलेलं आहे. In this video, I am going to talk with you about use of to have form. To have. या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी to have याबद्दल डिस्कशन करणार आहे. And also the use of to do form. To do form. Also use of to do form. So students, in this video I am going to talk with you about the use of to have and to do form. First of all, the use of to have. Students, to have. To have ची रूपे. To have ची रूपे आहेत have, has, had. Have, has, and had. To have and has. These two are used in present tense and had used in past tense. Have had past आहे had. Have had past आहे had. Now use of have and has. I, plural we. First person singular I, plural we. Second person singular you, plural you. Third person singular he, she, it, plural they. These are the pronouns. आता have आणि had चा वापर कसा करायचा आपण ते पाहूया. सपोज सब्जेक्ट I असेल have. We have. You have. You have. He, she, it has. How to read? He has, she has, it has, they have. फक्त थर्ड पर्सन सिंग्युलर समजा असेल तर त्यावेळेस आपण हॅजचा वापर करायचा आहे. बाकी सगळ्या प्रोनाउनच्या नंतर आपण हॅवचा वापर करायचा आहे. सिंग्युलर थर्ड पर्सन ही हॅज, शी हॅज, इट हॅज, प्लुरल दे हॅव. Now the use of had. तर हॅडचा वापर कसा करायचा आपण ते पाहूया. हॅव हॅडचा पास्ट आहे हॅड. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. हॅव हॅडचं पास्ट हॅड असल्यामुळे आपला सर्व ठिकाणी हॅड लिहावं लागेल. I had, we had, you had, you had, he, she, it had, he had, she had, it had, they had. These are the use of have hads and use of had. Now students, नेक्स्ट प्रायमरी ऑक्झलरीज त्याच्यामध्ये यूज ऑफ टू डू. इथं आपण टू डूचा वापर बघणार आहोत. टू डू मध्ये आपल्याला डू, डज आणि डिड. प्रेझेंट टेन्स मध्ये डू आणि पास्ट टेन्स मध्ये डू, डज प्रेझेंट टेन्स आणि पास्ट टेन्स मध्ये डिड वापरायचा आहे. डू, डज अँड डिड. नाउ डू कधी घ्यायचं, डज कधी घ्यायचं ते आपण पाहूया. आय, फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंग्युलर आय, प्लुरल वी, second person singular you, plural also you, third person he, she, it, singular, plural they, plural they. Now use of do or does. I do, we do. Do म्हणजे करणे. I do, we do. You do, you do. He, she, it does. He does, she does, it does, they do. This is the very basic thing to learn English grammar. Use of primary auxiliaries, to be, to have and to do. So students, in this video just I have covered the use of to have and to do. So to have has past tense had, I have, we have, you have, he had, she has, it has, they have. Use of had, I had, we had, you had, he had, she had, it had, they had. Use of to do, does, did. Do does past आहे did. So how it is used? I do, we do, you do, he does, she does, it does, they do. And the use of did. Did चा वापर कसा करायचा आहे? I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Now did चा वापर बघा. I did, we did, you did, he, she, it did, they did. Means I do मी करतो, I did माय केले, जे मी केले. We do आम्ही करतो, we do did आम्ही केले. You do तू करतोस, you did तू केले. म्हणजे do does चं past आहे did. So in this way we have to use the pronouns and after that use of appropriate primary auxiliaries to be, to have and to do. So students, watch this video again and again to learn basic English grammar. Don't forget to subscribe YouTube channel. Channel ला subscribe करा, bell icon press करा and like and share. Thank you so much.